Alright, so one more example here of solving a trig equation by factoring. And here we're going to solve cosine x equals cotangent x. And what I'm going to do in this case is simply rewrite cotangent. So tangent is sine over cosine. Cotangent is cosine over sine. And again, it might be tempting to sort of divide both sides by cosine of x to get rid of that. But again, that would be a mistake, as we kind of pointed out in the last video. You don't want to do that. You'll lose some solutions. So what I'm going to do is simply subtract the cosine x over sine x from both sides, and that'll leave me with 0 on the right. Well, I can factor the cosine x out. So cosine x times 1 would give me cosine x minus 1 over sine x. When I distribute these out, we'll get our cosine over sine. So again, now we have to simply set each factor equal to 0. So we'll get cosine x equals 0. And then we'll get that 1 minus 1 over sine x equals 0. And well, maybe it's pretty clear what sine x would have to be. We can certainly add it over. We can add the 1 over sine x. And then what I'm going to do is simply multiply both sides by sine x. So they'll cancel on the right, and we'll be left simply with sine x equals 1. So I have to think, where between 0 and 2 pi does cosine of x equals 0? Well, again, that happens at x equals pi over 2, and it also happens at 3 pi over 2. Where does sine of x equal 1? Well, sine equals 1 at pi over 2, which is, I guess, a bit redundant. We've already found that solution. And that's the only place where sine equals 1 on the interval 0 to 2 pi. So we could just simply say our solutions are pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2.